All right, so what exactly is diabetes? So diabetes is a disorder of blood glucose metabolism. And another word for blood glucose is blood sugar. The two words mean the exact same thing. We just tend to use them interchangeably. So first off, blood sugar is something that we all have. It's what our body uses for energy. Our muscles use blood sugar for fuel, and so does our brain. And our brain requires it. It uses actually a lot of blood sugar every single day. But the problem for someone with diabetes, whether they have type 1 diabetes or type 2 or type 1.5 or any of the other types, is that the blood sugar has a really hard time moving from the bloodstream into the muscle where it belongs. And so because it can't actually make that leap from the bloodstream into the muscle or into the brain, it builds up in the bloodstream over time. And the more blood sugar that we have just kind of floating around in our bloodstream with nowhere to go, the more damage it does to our arteries and our veins, which are very delicate. And that can really impact different systems within the body, whether it's our kidneys, our nerves, our eyes, even our sexual health, our reproductive health as well can be impacted by high amounts of blood sugar that have nowhere to go. So we'll talk about what we can actually do to help get that blood sugar where it belongs. But first, we really kind of need to explain how normal blood sugar metabolism works, and then the difference between type 1 and type 2, as well as type 1.5, because they are not the same thing. They are very, very different health conditions. So stay tuned for the next videos.